Mama, last time you showed me how to make a line chart with the max point highlighted. Can that be applied to other charts?
Sure, you can do it with a column chart too, but I'll demonstrate it for everyone using a bar chart. Let's all watch the video together. First, we'll start with a simple data set as shown on the screen. I'll add a max point column to indicate the maximum value in the views column. Next, I'll create another column called Custom Data Label. The purpose of this column will be revealed at the end of the video, so stay tuned. Next, we'll create the bar chart. The axis labels will automatically number the items, matching the clip column, but I'll still select the data again to ensure we follow the correct process. I'll adjust the gap width to increase the thickness of the bars, and also fill the bars with a light gray color and remove the line border. Now it's time to add a highlight to the chart. I'll insert the values from the max point column into the chart. Once the bar with the maximum value appears, click on it and increase the series overlap to the maximum so that this bar overlays the existing bars. Next, we'll add a data label for the max point bar. If you see the other bars showing a value of 0, we'll uncheck Value and instead choose Value from Cells and link it to the max point column. Repeat this process to add data labels to the remaining bars. I'll remove the x-axis as it's unnecessary. Finally, I'll test to ensure this chart updates automatically with the data. That's it. What do you think? It looks pretty good, doesn't it?
That chart really stands out when the highest value is highlighted.
Exactly. And how about you guys? If you found this video helpful and enjoyable, don't forget to leave a comment and like so YouTube can recommend it to more people. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel so you won't miss the latest videos. Thank you all so much.